Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the pair of linear equation in two variables, the statements and all those things. Okay, I told that we can solve the pair of linear equations in four methods. So in that, one is graphical method, another is substitution method and elimination method, and also cross multiplication method. Okay, so in today's class and next class we will completely discuss about this graphical method. Why? Because this is very important as a examination point of view. We can expect this question surely for 4 marks in the final examination. Without this question, no one will prepare the question paper. So this is very important. I told you to get ready with the uh, graph paper. So please take your graph paper and we'll solve the problems. Okay, here first problem, find the value of x and y graphically. For what? So just a minute. So in the examination they will give the question like this: find the value of x and y graphically. So they give like this: y is equal to 2x minus 2 and y is equal to 4x minus 4. Okay, how to find this now? It is very simple. So first thing what we need to do is, so first find the values. So this type of graph you did in the last year for a pair of linear equation. Sorry, not pair of linear equations, for a linear equation in two variables. In the mathematics, I think in the chapter 3rd or 4th, I not remember the chapter lesson number properly. Okay. So but now what we should do? We should do the pair of linear equation, pair in the sense for both. So both, what is the specialty in that and this is, so if the value of x and y should satisfy to both the values, so only it is called as pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so now we need to draw the table for this first. So how to draw the table? So we know that first y is equals to 2x minus 2. Okay, and here draw on table, just a minute. I'll take 2 cross 5 table. Okay, so and for the next y is equals to 4x minus 4. For this also draw on table. So I'll take 2 cross 4 table, 2 cross 5 table. So here write x, here y, and here x and y. If you want, you can write one more row here, that is x and y, that is points. So now here we need to give the values for x. So you'll get the value of y. So usually you can give any values from 0 to infinity, or even you can give the decimal numbers, whatever it may be according to the problem. So now what I will do, I'll give the numbers like whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, like this I'll give the numbers. So now we'll see what happens when for this equation y is equal to x minus 2, I'll give the x value is 0. So we'll see what is the answer we'll get for y. So y is equals to 2 into, substitute the value of 0, its first value 0 minus 2. You can give any values. I took 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Even if you want, you can give any other values, no problem. Okay, so at finally you may get the shape of the graph different, but the points will be the same. The point of intersection must be the same. Okay, now what you will get, y is equals to 0 times 2 is 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So therefore you will get y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so then next value is what is the next value? Next value is y is equal to 1 is there. I took y is equal to 1. So now y is equal to 1. So what should I do? So here y, which is equals to 2 into, y is equals to 2 into x. What is our x value? I took 1. So I substitute the 1 here. So minus 2. So therefore y is equals to 2 minus 2. So y is equals to 0. So here it is 0. Okay, then next I'll take here, I took the value 2 here. So then what I can do, so y is equals to 2 into what is the x value? X value is 2. So 2 minus 2. So therefore y is equals to 2 times 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2. So therefore y is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. So you can write the value of 2 here. Okay. Okay, so now we'll go for the next value, that is 3. Actually 2 points are enough, but if you want we can go for 3. So if you do the 4 it is best. Okay, 2 points or 3 points is maximum is enough. So next point is y is equals to 2 times 3 minus 2. So therefore y is equals to 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4. Okay, so write the value 4 here. Okay, so now I'll divide this like this, no need to do this, right neatly. Okay, these are the values. Okay, so next you need to find the values for the next equation. Okay, so your first value, so here, so if you take here any values you can take. So what I'll do, I'll take 0, 1, 2 and 3. So therefore y is equals to, so 4 times 0 minus 4. So y is equals to 4 times 0 is 0, 0 minus 4, which is equals to y is equals to minus 4. Okay, y is equal to minus 4. So then next value 1 is there. So if we take x is equals to 1, so therefore y is equals to 4 times 1 minus 4. So then y is equals to 4 times 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So here y is equals to 0. So next value 2 is there. So substitute the value of 2 in the place of x. So 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8 minus 4. So therefore y is equals to 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 4. So y is equals to 4. So 2 5, 4. So then y is equals to 4 into 3 minus 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 4. So therefore y is equals to 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, so you need to do the table like this. So I told that 2 points are enough. So if you want you can go do more points also, no problem. Okay, this if you do this, so for this they will give you 2 marks. If you do the table like this, for this table 1 mark and for this table 1 mark. So next remaining 2 marks they will give for the graph, to plot the graph and find it and find the values of x and y. Okay, so now we'll do the graph. Okay, now here I have the graph. So now divide the x-axis and y-axis. How you, I already are familiar with how to draw the graph and all, right? Okay, so divide like that and we'll see the next. So here I have two graphs. Okay, so they're the same table. What the table here we have, the same table I pasted here. No need to paste again and again in your classwork and all. Okay, so now take the scale and pencil, draw a line, divide exactly to the off, 1 2 3 4 5. So here I have only 10 divisions, so I'm taking the 5 here. And see in the x-axis and here also 10 is there. Okay, here the maximum value of this is 8. So I will draw the line here, but in your graph paper it is not it's not like that. You can take any values, you can divide exactly to the off. So now we mark the x-axis and y-axis. So y dash, x dash. So then here I'll change the color or else you may get confused. Red and red, dangerous color. So here -1 here -2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, and here -5, and remain here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now first I'll take this point. First point is 0 comma 2, 0 comma minus 2, not 2, 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 in the sense where it will locate. So I'll take another color to locate the points. Okay, but you no need to do all these things. So you do in you draw the lines in pen. Okay, draw the lines in pencil and mark the points in pen, blue color pen. Okay, I'll take purple. Okay, so now 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2, this point, 0 comma minus 2. Even this also not look contrast. Okay, I'll take black, it will best, it is best. So 0 comma 2. So after that 0 comma 1. So x-axis 0, x-axis 0, y-axis 1. So this point. And next I'll doing for this point, this graph. Okay, so then 2 comma 2, x-axis 2, y-axis 2. Okay, so then 3 comma 4. So 3 here and 4 here. 3 comma 4. Now what to do? Take the shape and draw a line. Take the shape and draw a line. Okay. Okay. So we got for 1. So now for this graph we got the line. Okay, we got the line like this, and we need to draw the graph for the second box, second table. So first one is 0 comma minus 4. Oh, 0 comma minus 4. So minus 4 is not there. Why? Because but you do in your book. Okay, why? Because you can extend that points, right? 0 comma minus 4 in the sense after this you'll get, so somewhere here, so somewhere here you'll get, but in a book you can do it. Okay, so 0 comma minus 4. Why? Because and here it is minus 3 and here it is minus 4, so it is 0 comma minus 4. Okay, so next point is 0 comma 1. So next point here we have is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. So after that 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 2 is here, 4 is here, 2 comma 4, and 3 comma 8, 3 is here, 8 is here, 3 comma 8. Now what we'll do, so we'll join these points, we'll join these points. Where is the shapes? Okay, join this point. Actually you need to join that also, but it's not. Okay, join this points like this. Okay, so you'll get a graph like this. Now the actual uh, answer starts here. So here where these two line intersects, these two line intersect at 0 comma 1 comma 0, right? The two line intersect at 1 comma 0. So therefore our x value which is equals to 1 and y value which is equals to 0. This gives you 2 marks, and is very important problem. And also you need to write the scale. Already know how to write scale. Scale here, write like this: x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to, see what is the difference, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 4, the same, that is 1, right? So it is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Here also the same. So the scale you need to write. So if you do all this work, so you'll get 4 marks. So initially while doing the problems, it will consume time. So it may take around 15 minutes or 20 minutes to do one problem. Okay, or at least 15 to 15 minutes it will take to do one problem initially. But if you keep on practice this, within a 3 to 4 minutes or within a maximum within a 5 minutes, we can complete with the graph and also with the x value, everything, the tables, everything you can complete within 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Initially it will take time, but you need to practice this very well, and it's 100% easiest question which we can expect in the final examination for 4 marks. Without this type of questions, without graph, no one will prepare the question paper. Even in this time examination also, they asked one of the graph problem for 4 marks. Next month 17th they have supplementary exams, then also there also they'll ask this question for 4 marks, 100%. Okay, so therefore this is very very important. I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubts, so please clarify by texting or call. Okay, now see here, check whether the pair of equation, these two equation are consistent, it will give. So don't worry about the consistent and all. So solve them graphically. You need to solve this graphically, by graphical method you need to solve. So but here this equation is different from this equation, right? Here y is there at the beginning, but here it is not a y, so it is x plus 3y is there. So we need to make this as a y first. So only the y must be there in the LHS, the left hand side. So how to do that? So we can transpose the everything, whatever the waste thing we have in the except y, everything you should transpose to the RHS. How to transpose? We know that. So here x plus 3y is equal to 6 is there. So you can write here x which is equal to sorry you can write here 3y which is equals to 6 minus x. So then y is equals to 6 minus x divided by 3. This is one equation. So here also for this you need to draw the table, and afterwards you have to graph the line. And next here 2x minus 3y which is equals to 12 is there. So only the y must be there, so isolate the y. How? By transposing everything to the left hand side, sorry, right hand side. So which is equals to minus 3y which is equals to 12 minus 2x. So y is equals to 12 minus 2x divided by, here 3 is there, you can write here minus 3. So this is the solution. So for this you need to draw the graph. How to draw the graph? First you need to create the table like this. Okay, so now do one thing, write this in the, solve this in the homework book and paste a graph sheet in the homework book and draw the graph. Okay, I hope all of you do this. Okay, only one problem is enough. Learn neatly, slowly, but perfectly you should learn this. Why? Because very very important question, 100% question as a final examination point of view. Okay, so the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Today I thought only one problem. Okay, only one problem for almost 15 to 20 minutes. So I hope all of you understood this. So the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.